So if you're looking for a really fun Christmas Advent calendar this year, make sure you check this out. This is the Advent calendar from GoGo Nova. Thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out. So this is a 720-piece set. So this has 12 different gifts inside, so one for each day, and it has a different different animal or structure inside to build. So let me give you a quick look at the box here. Really nice gift box here. So inside there, so you see exactly what you'll get here. So a bunch of different farm animals and some different farm structures as well. So this is the 12 different days. So every day you open one new one. So it's going to be really fun for kids to do, to count down to Christmas. So I'll show you what's inside here. So here's what it looks like inside. Each of the pieces are in individual bags here. So when you open it up, you have everything you need to build it, and the instructions are in there as well. Okay. These are just like Legos, of course, so they should be compatible with the Legos as well. So yeah, it's going to be really, really fun for kids or teens or anybody who's into building stuff. So yeah, let me get some of them built and show you what that looks like. Okay, well, I ended up getting them all built, so you can take a look at all of them so you can see how really cool this is. So you open one each day. It takes only a few minutes to build each one. So really nice and cool. Some of the pieces move as well. So on the eagle there, you can move his wings. The horse, you can move his head like that. So that's really cool. And then they come with the nice instructions for each one. Each one has its own set of instructions as well. So really fun to do. It's a really nice little Advent calendar for kids or anyone who likes to build. So just do one each day to count down before Christmas.